In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best LED video lights in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which LED video lights is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, ULANZI LED Video Light. Professional RGB LED lights for videos. The latest version of the VL49 RGB LED light incorporates 60 high-color LED beads for rendering, with an illumination angle that can reach 120 degrees. The brightness can be as high as 800 lux at 0.5 m, the highest CRI 95 light with perfect lighting and color. It also ensures that the light quality is realistic. Use it for weddings, portraits, children, and other new photography, etc. HUE in brightness, as well as CCT adjustable, variable hue from 0-359 degrees, brightness from 10% to 100% dimmable, temperature of color from cool to cold from 2500K to 9000K dimmable. LED camera light integrated LCD to provide accurate readings that allow you to perform your work more efficiently. 2000 mAh big capacity battery. Many LED lights have powered by a rechargeable lithium battery with 2000 mAh capacity. The charging time is around 2 hours, maximum brightness output of 2 hours, and min brightness output can be up to 10 hours. Here is the item number 4, Pixel LED Video Light. Colorful lighting effect. The RGB LED light panel incorporates 80 pcs of bicolor LED beads and 70 pcs of RGB LED color beads, with illumination up to 1500 lux, 0.5 m. RGB full color light with 4 modes and 12 standard lighting effects for your scene to make your photography more vivid. HUE in saturation and brightness and CCT adjustable. The hue can be adjusted from 0 degrees to 359 degrees. The color saturation can be adjusted between 0% and 100%, brightness between 0% and 100% dimmable. Color temperature ranging from 2000 to 855 degrees cold. Built-in LCD for precise readings, allowing you to be more productive. Product features: CRI equals 97, TLCI 97, inbuilt 7.4V 3.200 mAh battery that can be recharged. The USB Type-C charger port. It can be fully charged within 2.5 hours and provide 150 minutes of operation at 100% brightness. However, it can last longer than 150 minutes when the brightness falls below 100%. Rotate arm with cold shoe. The LED panel light comes with a 360-degree rotate arm and a cold shoe that allows the mounting of any device that has a hot shoe adapter in one go, including camera microphones, ideal to record. The item number 3, ULANZI LED Video Light. New update: smoother upgrade your soft light board that is based on older models, making the light soft and lighter, not as bright, as ideal for vlogging. Built-in lithium battery of 2000 mAh. Large capacity lithium battery. Charge time is 2 hours with a maximum brightness output of as high as 120 minutes, maximum brightness output of 300 minutes. Adjustable color temperature. 5500K color temperature reveals the beauty of natural light, ideal for macro photography, product, and videography. Essential light beads. High color rendering index. Essential collection of 49 LED beads, with CRI as high as 95+, which helps minimize post-grading work. Cold shoe mounts. LED video light is designed with an expandable connection system that has 3 joint interfaces, 1 interface on top, and 2 interfaces to the sides to connect several light panels to increase the brightness and improve lighting effects. Improve the soft light board to make the supplement light softer. Upgrade the soft light boards based on older models. Number 2 in our list, Lume Cube LED Light. Laptop light for video conferencing. Uses this simple light to Zoom meetings and increases your visibility in live streaming, videos, and more. Feel and look your most attractive when the camera comes on. Webcam lighting for computer. The built-in lens with frosted lenses and additional white diffuser make it easy to see and can give your professional a professional look. Ideal for working at your home or during Zoom meetings. Adjustable color and brightness. Control brightness between 1 to 100% and achieve the ideal lighting. Change the color temperature from cool to warm to match skin tones and to match the environment you work in. Flexible computer mount for laptops. Utilize the suction cup mount to create lighting for your laptop or desktop. Make the most of video calls with the right lighting or streaming light for your desk or on the go. A long-lasting battery, built-in battery, can provide hours of light. To broadcast longer, you can connect the Cube light to your laptop's USB port and it will run indefinitely. Improve your meetings at work and go to any event looking the best you can. We are sure you're doing great work, so we want you to look good in the process. If you're sitting at home on your couch or at your desk or in your office, the video conference lighting kits keep your eyes lit. The top one in our list, Neewer LED Video Light. Video call lighting with an adjustable brightness ranging from 10% to 100%. You can get even and soft lighting for a video call with this tabletop light kit. Perfect to use for Zoom calls, meeting Skype video calls, streaming YouTube, and much more. USB powered light. Maintain the light on via a USB wall charger with 5V and 2A, or a USB energy strip. For long-term use, be sure not to power the light via an iPad, laptop, or power bank in the event of a rapid battery drain and inadequate power output. The color filters optional, 8 color filters in 4 colors, white, blue, yellow and red, and blue. These filters allow you to make vibrant lighting effects to match live streaming and much more. Foldable and extendable tripod with a minimum height of 8.85 inch and 22.5 centimeters. The mini tripod can be connected on top of the panel light, allowing for the most low lighting position. It's easy to put up and fold down. Its height is adjustable between 8.85 inch up to 45.66, 22.5 centimeters to 116 centimeters with the extension rod. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best LED video lights amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.